Hello parents. As we have learned letters with objects, now we will start to write how to write these letters. So in our previous video, you saw that how standing and sleeping lines are made. Today, I will begin with the same concept. But using these lines, children, we can write a lot of letters. So I have used some ice cream sticks first to show you how to write letters using these sticks. And then I will show you how to write it in your copy in a proper way, maintaining the lines. Let us begin. This is standing line, children. Up to down. Standing line, up to down. Now why is it called a standing line? Because when you stand in this position, like the stick here, up to down. And when you lie down on a bed, you lie like this. When you sleep, so this is the sleeping position, right to left. Sleeping position, right to left. So this is called sleeping line. Children, using this standing line and sleeping line, we can make and write a lot of letters. Let us learn the first letter. Remember, what stands for elephant? Which letter stands for elephant? Yes, you are correct. Letter E. And we can write letter E using the sticks. Let us find out how. Up to down, standing line. Right to left, sleeping line. Again in the middle, right to left, sleeping line. And at the bottom, right to left, sleeping line. So isn't this looking like letter E? Yes, it looks like letter E. Can we make other letters too? Yes, we can. Fan. Which letter stands for this word fan? Fish, frog. Yes, you are correct. Letter F. How to write letter F? Standing line, up to down. One sleeping line, right to left. One sleeping line, right to left. This is letter F. This is letter F. This is letter F. We can write some other letters also, like hat, horse, hen. Do you know these words begin with a letter H? These words begin with a letter H. Let us learn how to write H. Standing line, sleeping line, and again a standing line. Standing line, up to down, sleeping line, right to left, standing line, up to down. Standing line, up to down, sleeping line, right to left, again standing line, up to down. We all love to eat ice cream, isn't it? I too love to eat ice cream, especially during the summer season. Do you know, children, what is the beginning letter of the word ice cream? Yes, I. And using the sticks, we can write I. So, for writing I, we need a standing line, up to down, a sleeping line, at the top, right to left, and a sleeping line at the bottom, right to left. So how to write I? Standing line, up to down, sleeping line, right to left, and one more sleeping line, right to left at the bottom. This is letter I. L for lion. Do you know how to write letter L? It's very simple. You just need a standing line and a sleeping line. To write letter L, first you need a standing line, up to down. Then you need a sleeping line, right to left, right to left, up to down standing line, and right to left sleeping line. Simple as it. This is how you write letter L. Or to drink tea. And do you know there is a letter whose name is T? Let us find how to write T. For T, you need a standing line, up to down, and you need a sleeping line, right to left, up to down, right to left, standing line up to down, sleeping line right to left. So easy. Children, you have now learned how to write letters using various things. How to trace letters, how to make letters. In our previous videos, we showed you how to write letters while tracing on sand, while tracing on flour. And today I showed you how to make letters using ice cream sticks. Do practice this at home using various kinds of things like sticks, like pens, pencils. It will be very helpful. Now I will teach you how to write these letters, the same letters in the copy. In copy, you have 4 lines like this, isn't it? You have 4 lines like this. See, you have 4 lines like this. How will you write this in the copy? Now I will show you. Simple. In your copy, you have red line, 2 black lines, and again 1 red line. So, generally, we write standing line from red to black. See how I trace? Red to the last black line. Red to the last black line. This is standing line. This is standing line. Red to the last black line. Red to the last black line. And sleeping line, as I told you that when you sleep, the sleeping line shows how you sleep on the bed. Right to left. Right to left on the black line. Right to left on the black line. Right to left. Right to left on the black line. Right to left on the black line. Now you wrote letter E, isn't it? Now how to write letter E in the copy? First, red to black standing line. Right to left sleeping line at the top. In the middle again, right to left on the black line. In the bottom, right to left on the black line. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, letter E. Again, standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line, letter E. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter E. Letter E. This is how you write letter E. Now how to write letter F? Standing line, black to red. Sleeping line on the red line. Sleeping line on the black line. Right to left. Up to down. Sleeping line right to left. Sleeping line right to left. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Standing line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Letter F. How to write letter H? Up to down. Right to left. Up to down. Red lines to black line. Up to down. On the black line. Sleeping line. Again red to black. Standing line. Black, red to black standing line. Sleeping line on black line. Again red to black standing line. Red to black standing line. Sleeping line on black line. Red to black standing line. Now for writing I, first you draw a sleeping line like this on the red line. Then standing line from red to black, and again a sleeping line at the bottom of the standing line. Right to left, standing line. Right to left, sleeping line. Right to left, standing line, sleeping line, then standing line, then again a sleeping line. Right to left, sleeping line, standing line, and again sleeping line. This is how you write letter I. L. Standing line from red to black, sleeping line on black line. Standing line, red to black, sleeping line on black line. Standing line, red to black, sleeping line on black line. Standing line, red to black, sleeping line on black line. This is letter L. T. Standing line, sleeping line, right to left, and then a standing line. Sleeping line, right to left, standing line. Sleeping line, right to left, and then standing line. Sleeping line, right to left on the red line of your copy. Then you draw a straight standing line till the black line. Parents, hope this video is helpful for your children to practice lines. Please make them write these lines and then make them write the letters using these two lines, like letter E, F, H, I, L and T. Then their concept of standing and sleeping line and the letters that are written using these two lines will be totally clear. Please be free to give us a call if you have any problem regarding this video. Thank you.